Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is mushroom soup. In mushroom soup, a little twist. I'm infusing some rosemary into it. So I call it rosemary infused mushroom soup. To begin, some oil, some butter. In any of the soup recipes, you can just go in with some butter or some oil also. To avoid butter from burning, I add some oil. It's melted. I'm going to add in some onions. I'm going to add in the mushrooms. And some salt. It's time to put the rosemary. I'm using the fresh ones. Going to add in little water for it to boil. I'm going to cover this and cook until it becomes tender. I'm going to fish out the rosemary. Turn off the flame and I'm going to puree this. To this, I'm going to add in hot milk because the temperature of the milk and the content what you're adding to should be same. Otherwise, the milk will curdle. If you want more creamier, you can add little bit of fresh cream too. To this, I'm going to add in some pepper and little bit more of salt. I would boil it for another minute or two. This is boiled well. I'm going to turn off the flame and it is ready to serve. Mushroom rosemary infused soup is ready to eat. For more healthy soups, subscribe SBL Foods.